Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another tutorial for you guys and I'm making these ever so trending hot chocolate bombs. So I made 3 flavors for you guys. Now if you want to know the recipe and know how to make it, just keep watching. So the first thing I'll do, guys, is to melt my chocolate. I'm just using a microwave to melt all of my chocolates and I'm going to mix it until there are no lumps left. Once it's set to this stage, I am going to put it in my chocolate mold. I have a polycarbonate chocolate mold which I bought at Amazon way back before, but you can also use a silicone mold if you want. Using a silicone mold makes it easier for you guys, but I'm more used to using the polycarbonate mold, so I'll be using this one. So I'm filling it up and then I'm just pushing it on the sides until all the sides are coated. Now I'm just going to be tapping off the excess chocolate from the mold. And using my scraper, I'm gonna scrape off the top so that it won't be messy. Now I have some acetate. I'm gonna cover the bottom part, flip it over, and then put it in the refrigerator for it to set. If you can see here on the right side, this is how you will know when the chocolate is ready. Here on the left side, you can see it's quite different. It hasn't detached yet from the mold. So that means that it still needs some time to set in the freezer. Meanwhile, we're going to make the filling for the chocolate bombs. I'm putting 6 tablespoons of cocoa, 6 tablespoons of powdered milk, and 6 tablespoons of sugar and mixing it together. I'm making 3 flavors, which is vanilla, choco Nutella, and the marshmallow Belgian chocolate. So now my chocolate molds are ready. As you can see, they have fully detached and now I can just pull them out. So here are my chocolate shells. They are nice and shiny, and this time I'm making the white chocolate shell and the milk chocolate shell for the different flavors that I am doing. Now for the exciting part, I am going to decorate them. So I'm using some pink luster powder and some silver glitter, and I'm going to put it on my white chocolate. I'm just putting it all over, and then I'll be putting a bit of swizzle of dark chocolate and then more dust. For the hazelnut flavored one, I'm using some graham crackers and some almond flour to decorate it. I'm just putting a zigzag here of milk chocolate and sprinkling a generous amount of graham crackers and also almond powder. For the Belgian chocolate bomb, I'm using some bronze luster powder and some white and milk chocolate and just squiggling it all around for some decoration and adding in more bronze luster powder. And here are the final designs. Don't they look super duper cute? Now that we're done, it is time to assemble everything. So I'm just using the molds again to hold the cups in place, and then I'm putting a tablespoon and a half of the cocoa mixture I made earlier. So now for the flavoring. For the white chocolate one, I'm putting in some vanilla seed paste here, just a little bit. And then for the milk chocolate bomb, I'm putting a bit of Nutella for a different flavor inside. And then for the tart chocolate one, I am putting in some Belgian chocolates. I placed around 10 calories or so on this one. You can be a bit more generous if you want, but yeah, that's how I did it. And then I placed in a bit of marshmallows inside. So to assemble this, I used a hot spatula and I just ran it over the sides of the chocolate bomb, and then as you can see here, they melted a bit, and now I can assemble them. I'm just gonna put them on top, clean them out a bit, and once they cool down, it's going to be a solid circle shape. So here are the final products. I made different designs and different flavors too. So now it's time to try them out. I'm gonna put them in my cocoa mugs, my Christmas cocoa mugs, and then I'm going to be pouring in some hot milk. So I hope you guys can try all of these out. They are 3 really unique flavors and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to try this out with your brothers and sisters or your kids at home. Happy holidays everyone! And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more food related videos. See you guys soon! Bye!